Hi everyone and welcome back to Moonbelle Soaps. My name is Belle and today we will be making a honey soap. Here I have some honey mixed in hot water. This is to disperse the honey better through the soap, otherwise honey seems to clump together in certain spots. I'll add in my lye water solution to my oils and butters and stick blend to emulsification. Now I'm going to pour a portion of the batter into the white, as I don't want honey in this part to discolour it. Next, I'm putting in the honey water mixture into the rest of the batter, along with the fragrance, which is oatmeal, milk and honey, and then I'm going to blend it all up. In this container I have some resplendent mica from my Mica Obsession mixed with titanium dioxide to give a creamy light gold colour, and then in the rest of the batter I am going to pour straight in resplendent mica to get a gold honey colour. We are then going to pour into our main soap batter the white and the light gold for an in the pot swirl. Then I'm going to pour into the tall and skinny soap mold. Hopefully this will show some really pretty swirls. Okay, now so I'm just going to put on this bubble wrap to make a honeycomb look. I'm going to gently press it into the soap and it should make a really cool effect. So we've let the soap set up a little bit. I'm going to pull off the bubble wrap, and as you can see it's left indentations in the soap which look a bit like honeycomb. Next I've made up some melt and pour with the resplendent mica. I can't say resplendent. And then I'm just going to pour over the top to make it look like a honeycomb. But I think I've added too much resplendent in, so it's not going to be as clear as I was hoping, and it's going to cover up a lot of the honeycomb, but hopefully as you use it, as you wash with it, you'll see the little indentations come out. Hello and welcome back. It has been 18 to 24 hours later, and this is what Be Kind soap looks like. I'm just going to pull it out of the mold and then use my multi-bar cutter to cut it into bars. if you enjoyed the making of this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell icon for notifications of future videos, and subscribe. Any comments, leave down below. Until next time, keep clean. Bye.